Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the tablet has power and you understand the model-specific controls. Plug it into a charger, and if you can, back up any accessible files. Once done, power off the device completely. Press and hold the correct button combination for your tablet maker, commonly volume down plus power, to boot into recovery or bootloader. This step forces the low-level interface that lets you remove credentials. Make sure to hold the keys until you see the recovery menu appear. Now, navigate the recovery menu using volume keys and confirm with power. Select Wipe Data/Factory, reset to remove the local passcode. This deletes user data but clears the lock. If the tablet is tied to a Google or vendor account, a reset alone may trigger activation lock. You must sign in with the original account after reboot. For manufacturer locks, use the official PC utility or contact the vendor with proof of ownership to complete the bypass. After the reset, choose Reboot System Now and follow setup prompts to add your accounts and recreate security. If activation lock appears, you must enter the original account credentials. Otherwise, contact the device maker with proof of purchase so they can remove the lock. If the tablet fails to boot or loops, return to recovery and try a cache wipe or reflash official firmware via PC. Make sure firmware matches exact model. If problems persist, seek authorized service to avoid bricking the device.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.